Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Like many frozen ingredients, however, frozen hash browns should be thawed before they are baked into a casserole or used in another dish. Thawing out frozen ingredients before cooking also allows you to remove the excess moisture. This is especially important when you are making a layered casserole.
Take our lead.
To thaw frozen hash browns in the microwave, empty the package into a microwave-safe bowl and cover with plastic wrap. Microwave on 50% power for about 3 minutes, turning and stirring after about 1.5 minutes. Drain off excess liquid before using the thawed hash browns.
Let's help you make your mark.
To prepare frozen hash browns quickly, try cooking them in a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat, flipping them with a spatula every 3 to 5 minutes until golden brown and crispy. You don't have to be a breakfast person to appreciate a hash brown side dish.
Take our lead.
Add the frozen hash browns in a thin layer. The key to crispy hash browns is to not pile them too high in the pan. Cook until dark brown and crispy on the bottom. Flip and cook until the other side is crispy and the potatoes are cooked through.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.